Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to another episode of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, Bitfarms has posted its production and operations update for April. BitMining has announced the LD4 mining machine, and Cathedra has reported its 2022 financial results. But just before we get into the show today, a quick reminder that if you enjoyed this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Alright, so Bitfarms Limited, which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker BITF, has posted its Bitcoin production and mining operations update for April 2023. Highlights include the mining of 379 new Bitcoins, that's 12.6 Bitcoin per day on average, and the selling of 349 Bitcoins, generating total proceeds of $10.1 million. Jeff Morphy, the company's CEO, said, quote, "For April 2023, we were cash flow positive from operations after scheduled interest and principal payments, reflecting improved mining economics. As in March, we sold less Bitcoin than we produced, which resulted in a net addition of 30 BTC to Treasury in April, bringing the total at month's end to 465 Bitcoin." End quote. Next up, BitMining Limited, which trades on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol BTCM, has announced the launch of the latest generation of its popular Dogecoin and Litecoin mining machine, model LD4. Designed for mining on the Doge and LTC blockchains with peak hash rate and energy efficiency, the LD4 is the third ASIC mining machine developed by the company since its acquisition of mining hardware manufacturer B Computing back in 2022. Shanfeng Yang, the CEO of BitMining, explains, quote, "With each new model of mining machine that BTCM develops, we further calibrate our expertise, gaining additional experience with manufacturing products that help contribute to essential blockchain networks. The sophistication of our new model, LD4, mining machine is currently unmatched in our industry. As one of the world's top cryptocurrency mining machine brands, we remain committed to continuing to develop new mining machines with the latest technology and promoting improved efficiency across the industry." End quote. Lastly for today, Cathedra Bitcoin Inc., which trades on the TSXV under the ticker CBIT, has reported its fourth quarter and full year audited financial results for 2022. Highlights include revenue of $8.7 million Canadian from Bitcoin mining operations. This is an increase over the $7.8 million posted in 2021. Gross Bitcoin production of 244.7 BTC and a 15% increase in net deployed Bitcoin mining hash rate up to 203 petahash per second as of December 31st, 2022. AJ Scalia, the company's CEO, explains, quote, "We remain extremely optimistic about the future of Bitcoin and Cathedra. At the time of publication, we are generating approximately 28.58 gross Bitcoin per month at an average cash cost of $13,778 US per Bitcoin across a hash rate portfolio totaling 343 petahash per second. With 11 modular data centers on hand from our GAM partnership and proprietary rover manufacturing, plus an inventory of over 2,000 idle older generation machines, we are spring-coiled to thrive as mining conditions continue to improve. We thank our shareholders for their continued support and look forward to delivering returns for them as Bitcoin continues up the global adoption curve." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss in investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available. This podcast was sponsored by AppTech Payments Corp. AppTech is an innovative fintech company whose mission is to deliver a better way for businesses to provide their customers with immersive commerce experiences. For more information, visit apptechcorp.com. AppTech trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol APCM.